Good morning, everyone. Steve Georgie here from Allendale's trading floor. It's April 7th. Corn down about 2 cents right now. Beans up 2. Wheat is gaining about 6.5. We'll start off with that wheat. Disappointing rains coming through that wheat growing areas. And looking at the forecast, not going to see a lot of moisture until this weekend. And then behind that, there's some rain for the 11 to 15 day forecast as well. But looking at it currently, about half of that wheat belt without rain. So getting a little bit of a bounce here from that. Some of the important things, though, looking at what are the funds doing. What you hear lately is it's all about money flow. Well, managed funds increased their corn positions by 37,000 last week. They increased their bean position by about 8,000. And they increased wheat, even though wheat was down last week, still gaining about 9,000 for the week. So very strong. These guys, these funds are all in. They're looking for some kind of a weather scenario or something as we get closer to planting. We do have, this is the largest open interest that we've seen since August of 2012. So big position here by these managed funds. Now, things to be aware of when we see them in this market as heavy as they are, they can come out just as fast. So be prepared for that. Looks like weather is warming up, but right now, all eyes on that on wheat, whether or not they're going to see some rain or they're going to get that moisture that they certainly need. Chinese markets are closed today. They are on holiday. But looking at what's coming ahead, what do we need to focus on this week? We've got a report out on Wednesday. They're looking for about a 53 million bushel decline for corn stocks, putting that at 1.403. So still another decline there, but also a decline for beans, about 6 million bushels. The average trade guess sitting at 139 million, and that's due to higher exports. We've seen strong exports, still have. Of course, you still hear we're going to see cancellations out of beans. We haven't seen that yet. But looking at wheat, we may end up seeing an increase as far as stocks there. The quarterly numbers were higher than expected. We may see that reflected on this supply and demand report as well. Looking at livestock, box beef down sharply on Friday once again. Choice down to 321, select down 404. So we've seen a pretty strong decline as far as box beef. Packer break-evens right now sitting at 141.64. So we'd seen a sharp break Friday, probably well-deserved. Now, we also saw 12,000 head trade in Nebraska late on Friday. That was down about $3.50, lower than last week. So right now, kind of a negative technical picture as well, mixed in with some of these negative fundamentals. So probably going to see a little bit further break yet this week for cattle. In hogs, we could start off maybe a little bit stronger. Kind of the reverse. We saw a lot of fun money coming out. We saw pressure on Friday with these hogs. Cutout values, though, up 108. So 130.99, still sitting well above these futures right now. So the chart's though something to kind of watch there on more of a technical side. We were able to take out some good support last week and close below that. How are we going to make these adjustments early this week? Can we get back on the long side again, or are we going to see more of this money come out of the hogs? But right now, some of the technicals, or the fundamentals, I should say, behind the hogs with cutout values being as strong as they are, certainly may find a little support yet at a little lower levels. Now, some of the outside markets, stock market down 45. You've got a lot of global markets right now that are working a little lower right now. Gold down $5, silver down about 12 cents, and the dollar down about 9. So give us a call if you guys have any questions out there. We're here to help you out. You can reach us here at 800-262-7538, or check us out right on the web at allendale-inc.com. Hope you guys have a great day. We'll talk to you again tomorrow morning. Take care.